Sol versus BTC. In this video, I'm going to go into the reasons why I think Sol might be a better hold than Bitcoin currently. Don't get me wrong, I'm a BTC maxi. I'm trying to stack as many sats as possible. I think this could be a potential for you to double your Bitcoins. You could go from 1 to 2, 10 to 20, or 100 to 200, for example. So I'm thinking that the Sol pair against BTC will climb back to all-time highs, and that's almost approximately 100% move at this price. I was looking at it a few days ago when it just bounced approximately 10%. As soon as it breaks this trend line, I think it's going to send. Hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. We got a lot of great things coming to you guys. We're going to be in Dubai in April for a crypto month there. So if you're there, give us a holla. We're going to be looking at the Sol USD chart because for it to move upwards against BTC, it also needs to be bullish against the USD pair. So we're breaking a major resistance. You can see here previously we used this as support, $135, support, and then it turned into resistance. We are now flipping that, so if we could hold $138, I'm looking for us to move all the way to the $190, $200 area. We're seeing a lot of resistance right now at the $150 area. It's looking a little bit toppy right here. A lot of indecision, a lot of selling at the $150 area. So I'm hoping we can get some sort of pullback. We already got this large wick into the $110 area, but I think anything in that area would be a great buy. 110, 120, and we're targeting 170 plus. So if we're looking at the market cap, $65 billion. Actually, before we do that, I wanted to point one more thing out. So BTC, if you've been paying attention, has broken its all-time high. So Solana to its all-time high is 77% away. If we do ETH to USD, let's take a look. This ascending triangle pattern smashed. Also covered that on YouTube when price was at 2,000, and I said it's almost guaranteed to go back to all-time highs, and it was lagging. So 21%. BTC is sitting around or sitting at all-time highs. Ethereum is 21%, and then you have Sol 77% away from its all-time high. This is the Sol ETH chart, and you can see we retested all-time highs. We came back down, and I'm looking for another leg up. So I'm not too focused if ETH runs up higher than Sol. I got a great Sol bag, ETH bag. I'm just trying to focus on the Bitcoin that I want to double up. So going back to Sol BTC, why I think we'll see another leg up is because, first of all, we broken this downtrend. We were making lower lows and lower highs. We got into this consolidation phase right here, and then we broke out. So this would have been, in my opinion, the first move. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We're coming back and retesting the previous higher high and a huge area of support. So that's why I think we'll put in that third leg up and retest the all-time highs against Bitcoin. And for me to add into that, the narrative is huge on Solana right now. 65 billion market cap. Ethereum's trading at 471 billion, like an 8x. There's a lot of room for Solana to grow because if you look at using ETH right now, it is like costly as hell. $72 for one swap. If we go to Jupiter Solana, you can see that the swap is literally cents, 0.000105. The meme coins on Solana are exploding. The user experience on Solana is a lot easier than it is on ETH. Using MetaMask, trying to have enough ETH for gas fees. You can see that the wallets, the usage, it's all growing on Solana. We have huge airdrops coming from Parcel, which I think will ignite another Solana run like the Jido airdrop did. You have MarginFi coming out, you have Camino coming out, and that type of easy money will draw a lot of people into Solana, like looking for the next airdrop, looking for the next dog with hat. And there's a lot of people making great money on Solana. I got a message yesterday 7 figs off dog with hat, and people are crushing it on Solana. People are getting their first taste of like the meme coin season, the airdrop season, buying NFTs and things like that. This is also something I wanted to point out: the TVL. You can see that we're growing upwards. We're moving up in terms of TVL. I know this was extremely inflated with SAM and FTX, but nonetheless, I think that everything is pointing upwards. The users, the price, we're in uptrends. Like, there's so many airdrops. You don't want to ignore what's happening on Solana right now, the Solana narrative. Yeah, a ton is happening on Bitcoin as well with ordinals. But in terms of price action, I think that this is going to be a good buy right here. If we go down into the daily, you can see that it also looks like we're getting slightly rejected here. So on any sort of pullback, I'm going to add to my bag here. If we break market structure and reject this area, then maybe I'll cut out and I'll look to reposition. I think if we come back down lower here, then that would be a clean 100% move. I'm really sold by the Solana narrative. Also, I'm a huge user, just pretty much recently, honestly, the last year, and going hard with all the airdrop stuff, all the opportunities, all that great stuff on Solana, and I think that this could be a great trade. The last thing I'll share is that the friend is your trend, correct? So last cycle, I spotted the same narrative trade with ETH. And ETH was exploding, ETH BTC was exploding, and I went a lot heavier then. That's an ugly ETH BTC chart. I went a lot heavier then, and I caught it around here on the pullback and doubled up my Bitcoins. Same type of trade, same type of feeling, same type of narrative, and I really just saw it happening. It's the same thing I'm seeing on the chart on Solana right now. Same narratives happening, and it's just playing out. So I think that this is going to be a great move. I'll share my entries in the Discord. Join the Discord, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any great trades like this. You don't miss out on opportunities, airdrop opportunities, and all the stuff we have coming for you guys. So hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.